Year 2024. Wake and see. Tata Steel Tournament. The black player sits before the board as the entire room seems to hold its breath. He knows that today there is no room for error. A defeat would distance him from the top positions. After a few moments of deep reflection, the player makes a decision that is fully and completely conscious, almost a strategic choice from an emotional standpoint, and then proceeds to play the Slav Defense. The Slav Defense arises after d4, d5, c4, c6, and it represents a very distinct philosophy of chess. It doesn't aim to surprise. It doesn't aim to force. Its goal is to build. The central idea is simple yet powerful: to hold the center with solid pawns and develop the pieces without creating weaknesses. In the classical Slav defense, black sets up right from the beginning a remarkably robust and reliable structure. Following the pawn's advance to c6, the center becomes perfectly supported, and the development of pieces proceeds quite naturally. When white develops their pieces and strengthens central control, black doesn't hesitate to capture the c4 pawn. It's not an act of greed, it's a strategic decision to gain time, compel white to prove their compensation, and dictate the game's tempo. Every single move serves a clear purpose. Each piece finds its designated square without rushing. This is a position where victory isn't for the one who attacks first, but for the one who truly grasps the underlying structure. This variant leads to long maneuvering games, where patience is a powerful weapon. Black feels comfortable defending positions that are slightly inferior in space, because they know there are no real weaknesses to exploit. But should the player desire an additional layer of tension, the semi-Slav makes its appearance. Here, following that very same solid opening, black executes e6, thereby fundamentally altering the entire character of the position. The center becomes blocked, the tension escalates, and the decisions grow much more profound. The development is more restrained, but every single move is a long-term investment. The overall strategy, the plan, is not revealed too early. You wait, you prepare, you carefully gauge your opponent. The semi-Slav isn't immediately aggressive, but it is tremendously ambitious. It offers dense positions packed with strategic ideas where a single error can completely change the balance. It's an ideal defense for players who seek solidity, but also the opportunity to counterattack when the precise moment arrives. The Slav defense, in any of its variations, does not promise spectacular fireworks. Instead, it offers something far more valuable: unwavering stability, solid confidence, and games where you always remain a formidable contender. If you wish to learn how to defend with sound judgment, to construct robust positions, and to punish your opponent's errors with cold-blooded precision, then this opening is undoubtedly for you. BlackChess Academy, the ultimate in chess education.